The owners of Hotcakes approached us to build this sign, and they had a specific vision in mind, which is to create an antique sign. And it was decided that we should make this sign out of brass because that seemed the most fitting for the era they were trying to emulate. This particular project required for a number of different materials, which included brass, steel, and plastics. The great thing about working with Onlinemetals is you can pretty much just go on their website, select the materials, the alloys that you need, the lengths that you need, and it can be cut to size, whatever that length is. And you essentially click the button and it shows up in your mailbox the next day. A lot of the brass alloys are not weldable, so essentially in those cases you have to come up with alternate means of fastening the materials. That could be screwing things together or soldering in some cases. This particular project where we built the sign, we had to do an extensive amount of soldering. Part of the preparation for putting brass together includes cleaning the metal, getting it down to the bare metal, so to speak. Essentially you can take a Scotch-Brite or some similar abrasive and basically wipe away or scratch away the oxidization. And part of that process is also the flux process, which opens up the face of the material, so to speak, such that the solder can bond to it really well. Once the materials are prepared, normally you'd clamp your pieces if possible, such that they're tightly pressed to one another. And then you would, typically you'd heat the product from the heaviest to thickest part first, from the back side normally, and flow the solder towards the heat source. There were two separate components as it relates to the construction of this now serving sign. We had the actual sign itself, which is up on the corner of the building inside the restaurant where all the customers can see it, but there was also the button box, which was down by the server station where the server would actually push the buttons. The customer is given a number, and when they see their number light up, they approach the counter and get their delicious treat.
Delicious hot cake.